Wow, hello guys, welcome to another video tutorials on PHP/Laravel tricks. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you all the tricks you need to know in order to develop your application very fast. Okay, if you don't know about Laravel is just MVC. Okay, it's a framework, PHP framework that actually help you with all the functions and classes that that you don't need to go back and stress yourself and start developing all those functions. So Laravel actually help you to put things down for you so you can use them easily. Alright, so today is actually my first video on Laravel trick. So I actually want you guys to keep to this channel, subscribe to the channel, and turn off your notification so you can get my subsequent video on Laravel tricks. Okay, so you'll be getting a lot from here. We'll be going from installation all down to creating a project. So I urge you guys to stick around on my channel so you can get all you need to know. Alright, so that is that, and the next video I will show you how you can start from the installation of Laravel. Okay, and then of course using the composer and then Git. Alright, so you tend to get all this knowledge, so keep your fingers crossed and then just hit that button hard and get subscribed to my channel. So thank you for watching this video, and let's see you in the next video.